how we Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a screensaver from your iMac, MacBook Pro or any other version of Apple computer. This is screensaver. If sometime you have in 1 minute or 5 minutes you leave your computer, it goes to screensaver. You don't want that anymore. Very simple tutorial, guys. Go to Apple logo in your computer, hit this one. The second option you can see here is called system preference. Go inside to system preference. Here you will see many options. So the second option, exactly general, then you have desktop and screensaver. Hit this one. You see desktop options, so you can change wallpaper, and here is a screensaver. So you have different type of screensaver. Here I put this one to never. So you'll not see never more screensaver in your life. If you want, you can change to different type, but if you don't want to see never, hit this one. Go back, close this one. That is all. You don't need to see more screensaver. Just to confirm it's working or not, I hit system preference one more time, desktop and all that is screensaver never. So this is very simple, guys. After that you'll never see more screensaver. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.